Every day we go out to play is not going to be a calm 75-degree day. So we have to be ready to play in big wind. So the two most important things you have to do in the wind is slow your swing speed down. The faster we get, the more spin I put on the ball, and therefore the more the wind affects it. So make sure we swing a little bit slower when the wind blows. The harder it blows, the slower we swing. Try to stay in balance and hit the ball with less spin by controlling our speed and not swinging too hard at it. Smooth in rhythm, one club less than you normally would hit into a green, a 7-iron rather than an 8. Keep the spin off of it and keep it under the wind.